It's important to note that we are taking advantage of the memory function in ChatGPT in order to help us to answer these questions. If you don't have a prior history with ChatGPT and you don't have memory stored where ChatGPT is recording all of your interactions, then you may not be able to use the feature and it won't necessarily help you to come to ChatGPT. You can be just as well served by using Perplexity. However, because of a previous history with ChatGPT, we can ask for its assistance to help us to answer these questions. So we're now going to copy and paste this information into the dialog box in Perplexity. So we now have our questions answered. We're going to click on the entry buttons. Perplexity is going to now give us more questions. So what we're going to do is we're going to screenshot these questions. And we're going to head to ChatGPT. We're going to return to the same conversation. We'll let ChatGPT know we have new questions. And ChatGPT will assist us by generating answers to the questions that we are submitting through the image that we have uploaded. And we are going to complete the process. And our profile is now complete. We are now ready to begin working inside of our example. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.